Alright, so I think it's about time we actually tackle a project in our project bin. So let's just grab the first one off the top and... Oh! I actually have parts! Sweet! What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to an episode of Tech, the show that manages to keep dying and I somehow manage to keep bringing it back. And today, well, as you can see, we're going to be working on a Kindle Fire HD7. So this is the Kindle Fire HD7 that I'm going to be working with, and it's actually suited the previous owner pretty well, except for the fact that, yeah, it doesn't turn on. So I suspected a few things to be wrong with this Kindle. The original owner suspected that it would actually be the battery. I suspected that it could also be the micro USB port. However, I did also keep in mind that the motherboard in this Kindle could be completely shot. I'll have both of these parts listed in the link down below. But for now, let's get into the Kindle. So the back of the Kindle isn't actually held on by screws, but instead it's actually held on by little plastic tabs that need to be popped off. So in order to get the back panel off, you need to pop out these tabs, which can also be a bit of a pain in the butt. Luckily, the toolkit I had some tools that I was able to use to pop off the back of the Kindle, which allowed us to gain access to our battery, micro USB port, and other stuff. And there we go, we finally have the Kindle taken apart. Alright, and as you can see, we have the Kindle completely taken apart now, and as you can see, we have access to literally everything we need to. We have our main battery here, our micro USB port is up here, and all of our buttons are actually on the backside itself. Alright, so the easiest way to get out the battery is to probably get some really dull yet flat tool to get underneath the battery and apply up. The toolkit I have has a few great tools that you'll see me use a little bit for it. I'll have the toolkit and all the parts linked in the description down below. So there's our battery. Alright, so now we're going to start taking apart the micro USB port right here. And to do that, it's pretty simple. There's just two Torx screws. So let's get out our Torx thing. And you're going to want to use the number 4 Torx bit to unscrew the two Torx screws. Undo this, pull the cable up, and it should just pull right up. And just like how you remove the old port, you're going to want to insert the ribbon cable into the motherboard, set the port down, and then screw it in with the two Torx screws you removed from the old port. And I guess the last thing to do is to put down our battery. We're just going to insert it like that. And then we're going to plug it in. Like so. So we can take our back cover. Snap it on like this. And then plug her in and wait for her to charge. And it just turned on. That is freaking fantastic. Alright, and with that, we now have a Kindle that finally works. I will be sure to get this back to its original owner, and I will be sure to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to hit that like button if you liked it. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want more episodes of tech like this or other episodes and videos of me doing random stuff anyways. And be sure to hit that bell because we don't know what that does. It just does something. So you might as well try it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.